Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple lens flare in Unity 6. I'll also go over some common beginner mistakes and how to fix them. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your light source is visible on the camera, in both scene and the game view. This is one of the common mistakes beginners make. If your light isn't pointing towards the camera or is hidden, the lens flare just won't show up. Try rotating your directional light slightly to face the camera if you're not seeing anything. Select your light and add a lens flare component. Depending on your render pipeline, the lens flare component may vary a little. In my case, it's SRP, so I'm going with lens flare SRP component. Once you have added the component, you will see that the default lens flare asset is thrown in. It's not that great. Instead, create a new lens flare asset. To do that, just click on the new button on the lens flare component. Let's take a look at this image. Notice how the flare element farthest from the light source are usually larger and more transparent, while the ones closer to the source are smaller and more intense. We'll use this information to create our lens flare elements. Click on the lens flare asset in the project window and start adding elements. Each element represents a part of the flare. You can set them to different shapes or use your own image. Use the starting position to place the element farther or closer from the light source. Adjust the scale, intensity and color to get the look you want. Add as many elements as you need to achieve the desired effect. Now to make the lens flare visible in game view, there are two things. First, add a lens flare layer component to your camera. Second, enable post-processing in your camera settings. Without this, your flare will not show up in the game view. That's it. You've created a custom flare in Unity 6. It's all about experimenting to get the right look. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Unity tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.